Yes, last session we had discussed the stereochemistry. In that we cover the conformation. As I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How? So conformational isomerism is due to the specific arrangement of the atom with respect to each other, though that having the same molecular formula and structural formula, and special arrangement of the atom with respect to each other. This is due to the rotation around the carbon-carbon single bond. So that gives the n number or infinite number of the isomers, and that individual isomers are called conformers. And we are not able to separate the individual conformer because they are rapidly converted to one another, है ना? And that's why all the conformers of in a configurational isomerism having the same physical and chemical property, like the example of ethane. In that, the ethane giving the infinite number of the conformer when one carbon atom or one methyl group is rotate with respect to another one, है ना? तो as we know that the circle is made up from the 360 degree, है ना? तो if we just count, shift the first methyl group with respect to the other next methyl group by 1 degree, so it giving the what 360, है ना? But it is not compulsory to rotate just by the 1 degree, है ना? You may rotate the 0.0001 degree, है ना? So that giving the one conformer. Again you rotate the 0.001 degree, so that giving the second conformer. So it giving the n number of the conformation of a ethane. So out of that infinite number of the conformer, the two extreme conformers are identified like the staggered conformation and eclipse conformation. And these conformation are also identified by the
सर
dihedral
आपका
angle.
दोनों माइक चालू है.
When a dihedral angle is 0, तो उस टाइम में कौन सा conformation रहता है इथेन में?
Eclipse.
Eclipse conformation. When 60,
Staggered.
Staggered conformation.
conformation, है ना? तो ये है ना, तो but though they are having the special arrangement and giving the different conformers, but having the same physical and chemical property. Now the next example is that. Now the next example, the configurational isomerism. This is also the type of This is also the type of a stereoisomerism. Here, the isomer which having the same molecular formula and same structural formula, same molecular formula and same structural formula, but different arrangement of the atom with respect to each other, resulting from the rigidity of structure. And we know previously discussed the rigidity is arises due to the different reason, है ना? Likewise, that are classified into the geometrical isomerism and optical isomers, है ना? Again, one of the thing related with the configurational isomerism exists physically exists differently, है ना? But not with the case of a conformational isomerism, है ना? That's why their physical and chemical properties are different. Physical and chemical property are different. The type of a configurational isomerism means the isomer that having the same molecular formula and structural formula but different arrangement with respect to each other. This is due to the rigidity the rigidity may arises due to the two reasons that are broadly classified into the geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism is further classified into the geometrical isomerism in alkenes. Geometrical isomerism in alkenes. And the next one is the geometrical isomerism in a cyclic compound or geometrical isomerism in a ring structure. And second one is the optical isomerism. Optical isomerism kya rehta hai? This is due to the dissymmetry, means the molecule not having the any sort of symmetry. Just take the example of our human body. Human body is the symmetry, है ना? Like the sphere is also the symmetrical, है ना? Likewise the case of a square that also having the symmetry, है ना? तो इसको symmetry है, but the compound, such a compound that not having the any sort of symmetry, means the compound is dissymmetric. That compound show the optical isomerism, है ना? That having the two or more structure that having the same molecular formula and structural formula, but due to the spatial arrangement that exist differently. Now we will discuss one by one geometrical isomerism. Just tell me anyone the definition of geometrical isomerism. कोई बोलो.
सर क्वेश्चन रिपीट कीजिए.
Tell me the definition of a geometrical isomerism in alkene. This is the type of a configurational isomerism. Geometrical isomerism is the type of a configurational isomerism in which the isomer which having the same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different arrangement of atom, the atom in a space. This occur due to the restricted rotation around the carbon-carbon double bond. And this restricted or spatial arrangement of the atom with respect to each other, this is due to the restricted rotation around the carbon-carbon double bond. As the result, most of the alkene, or the compound that having the carbon-carbon double bond show the geometrical isomerism. That is a configurational isomerism, है ना? जैसा एग्जांपल देख लो यहाँ पर आ रहा है ना? देखो आपके स्क्रीन पे नजर आ रहा है आपको the black ball that indicate the carbon atom and the green and white that indicating the different group attached to the terminated or end carbon atom, है ना? So if we rotate the one carbon atom with respect to the another carbon atom, it is not possible. और कभी हमने इसको रोटेट ही करने का सोचा तो हमको क्या लगेगा? Yes. Yes, आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
यस सर, आवाज आ रही है.
हाँ बोलो. कभी हमने देखो ये कार्बन एटम को रोटेट करने का सोचा, ये जो हल रहा है उसको, तो इज इट पॉसिबल एट अ रूम टेम्परेचर?
नो सर, एनर्जी चाहिए उसको रोटेट करने के लिए. What is it possible to rotate the carbon-carbon around the double bond at a room temperature? The free rotation is not possible because it required एनर्जी.
More energy
है ना?
than
तो
the
that's
room.
why the free rotation around the carbon-carbon double bond at a room temperature is not possible. That's why the two structure exist differently, physically exist differently. Like the just see the figure or structure that is shown at the bottom on your screen.
देखो यहाँ पर सेम टू कार्बन एटम बॉन्डेड विथ ईच अदर एंड टू डिफरेंट ग्रुप अटैच्ड टू दिस टर्मिनल कार्बन एटम. टू कार्बन एटम अटैच है ना. देखो इन वन कंडीशन द टू ग्रीन ग्रुप आर ऑन अ सेम साइड. इन सेकंड कंडीशन द टू ग्रीन ग्रुप्स आर ऑन अ अपोजिट साइड है ना. तो दे आर एग्जिस्ट physically different. Likewise the case of a malic acid and fumaric acid that we discussed previously है ना. हमने इसके पहले भी देखा है. So free rotation is not possible. 2-butene that having the molecular formula is C4H8. C4H8 है ना. तो देखो that having the same molecular formula, same structural formula, but exists differently है ना. In one condition the 2-methyl group attached to the end carbon atom on a same side, और ये दोनों ग्रुप है जो अटैच ऑन अपोजिट साइड. तो ये आर द सेम कंपाउंड और डिफरेंट कंपाउंड?
Same.
दे आर द डिफरेंट कंपाउंड. ये दोनों भी क्या है? डिफरेंट कंपाउंड एंड एग्जिस्ट डिफरेंटली लाइक just this one is called as the cis-2-butene. When a methyl group, when a same group on a same side of a double bond, that is known as the 2-butene. When a two group, that is the 2-methyl group on a opposite side, so that is known as the trans-butene. And that having the different physical property, like the melting point of a cis-butene is -138.9 hai. Trans that having the -105.5 degrees Celsius hai. Boiling point is a cis-butene having 3.7 and trans-butene having the different one. Density is also the different है ना. तो ये दोनों भी कंपाउंड सेम है कि अलग अलग है?
Different.
हाँ,
Different is sir.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है मुझे.
सर डिफरेंट है.
डिफरेंट है ना, बट दैट हैविंग द सेम
molecular
formula and same structural formula, but special arrangement of the atom. देखो क्या है यहाँ पे, molecular formula भी same है, attachment means structural formula भी same है, but special arrangement of the atom with respect to each other. Here what happened, the 2-methyl group on the same side of a double bond, 2-methyl group on the same side of a double bond, and here the case, here the 2-methyl group on a opposite side. So that giving the two different isomer that having the same molecular formula and same structural formula, and that having the different physical property and chemical property. Physical property भी अलग है उसकी और chemical property भी क्या है उसकी, अलग है ना. Now the nomenclature, if the same group, if the similar group on a same side, जैसे देखो यहाँ पे methyl group है, यहाँ पर भी methyl group है, तो that compound is known as the cis. देखो कभी similar group or higher priority group or a same group is attached on a same side of a double bond, in that case that geometrical isomers is identified as a cis isomer. In case when a similar group on a opposite side, so that isomers is identified as a trans isomer. देखो cis isomer क्या रहता है, having the similar group on a same side of a double bond, that is known as the cis isomer, and trans isomer, the having the similar group on a opposite side of a double bond, is known as the trans isomer. The necessary condition for the geometrical stereoisomerism is that each carbon of a double bond must have the two different group, है ना. जो दो double bonded carbon atom है, the double bonded carbon atom attached to the two different group or two different substituent, that should be the different but not same. If it is same, then it not show the geometrical isomerism, है ना. This next case we will discuss the condition required. जैसे देख लो यहाँ पर आपको नजर आ रहा है. This compound show the geometrical isomerism, the two carbon atom attached the two different group A or B. Here the C and जो भी है तो क्या है यहाँ पे D and E. These two groups must be the different and these two group must also be the different, है ना. This is a necessary condition required to yes, I am audible.
Yes, sir.
So these are the condition required to show the geometrical isomerism. The two different groups should be attached to the two carbon atom, one carbon atom. Terminal carbon atom को दोनों भी रहेंगे. Then and then it show the geometrical isomerism. Out of the if that containing the similar kind of group, जैसा जैसे यहाँ पर भी हाइड्रोजन है और यहाँ पर भी हाइड्रोजन एटम है ना. तो in that case it not show the geometrical isomerism. ये second structure show करेंगे कि geometrical isomerism?
नहीं sir. नहीं sir. No sir.
Third one structure also show the geometrical isomerism or not?
No sir.
No, sir.
No. Fourth one?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. If all the group, if the four different group attached to the two carbon atom, in that case also it show the geometrical isomerism. तो ये condition समझ में आ गई? There might be the chances of the question on that this topic, that is what are the condition required to show the geometrical isomerism. So what are the condition? The two different group is attached to the double bonded carbon atom. Then and then it show the geometrical isomerism. एक क्वेश्चन नजर आ रहा है आपके स्क्रीन पे. विच स्ट्रक्चर एग्जिबिट द ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म ऑफ ब्यूटीन? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Which one show the geometrical
Second.
isomerism?
Sir, second and
Second.
third.
Show the
Second and third.
Third, sir.
second and third definite correct. हाँ, दोनों भी कर रहे हैं ये show that both the second and structure show the geometrical isomerism. Just take the here the case. This is the butane. 1, 2, 3, 4 है ना. तो देखो यहाँ पे वन कार्बन एटम को both the hydrogen groups are attached, means it not show the geometrical isomerism. इसकी probability खत्म हो जाती. फिर यहाँ पर देखो एक मिथिल ग्रुप है, एक हाइड्रोजन ग्रुप है. ये this is show the here also the hydrogen and methyl group, means it show the geometrical isomerism. Here also case the hydrogen and methyl, here the hydrogen methyl also show the geometrical isomerism. यहाँ पर भी देखो दोनों भी मिथिल ग्रुप है, ये भी मिथिल ग्रुप है और ये भी मिथिल ग्रुप. That's why it not show the geometrical isomerism, है ना. तो only the second and third structure that show the geometrical isomerism because the two different groups are attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. आ गया समझ में ये?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
एक एग्जांपल है, देखो यहाँ पर. This is also the example of the 2-butene that is show the cis and trans that having the different physical property, like the oleic acid and elydic acid that having the same molecular formula and structural formula but different arrangement due to the restricted rotation, giving the two different compound. One is called as the oleic acid and second one is called as the elydic acid. Say, और ये example तो हमने देखा है, that is the 2-butene dioic acid, 2-butene dioic acid that having the same structural molecular formula and structural formula but different arrangement. Here both the carboxylic group on a same side, that is known as the malic acid, और यहाँ पे carboxylic group on a opposite side that giving the fumaric acid, है ना? तो ये समझ में आ गया ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म आपको. बोथ आर द एग्जिस्ट डिफरेंटली. ये कुछ एग्जांपल है यहाँ पर, और डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज, है ना? देखो यहाँ पे 1,2 डाइब्रोमो इथीन, एक 1 इज सिस एंड सेकंड सईदा रीद. हाँ बोलो, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? आ रहा है, आया समझ में आप लोगों को? When a similar group, यहाँ पर भी मिथिल ग्रुप है और यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन एटम है, और यहाँ पर मिथिल ग्रुप है और यहाँ पर भी हाइड्रोजन ग्रुप है. इफ अ सिमिलर ग्रुप इज अटैच विथ अ सिमिलर ग्रुप इज अटैच टू द डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन एटम, तो देन इन दैट केस देयर इज अ नो इशू, है ना? जैसे ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट वी कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाइड द नेम ऑफ कंपाउंड लाइक सिस एंड ट्रांस, है ना? जैसे देखो मिथिल ग्रुप यहाँ पे दोनों भी एक साइड में है, तो ये कौन सा कंपाउंड हो गया, ये कौन सा फॉर्म हो गया, ये आइसोमर का
Cis.
और when a two similar group on a opposite side, when a two similar group on a opposite side, so in that case this isomer is identified as a
Trans.
trans. But yeah, is this compound show the geometrical isomerism or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पर भी two different group attached to this carbon atom, here also the two different group attached to this carbon atom. But what is this? Is this belong to the cis or trans?
No, sir.
Sir,
We can't predict, है ना? We can't predict on the basis of the group or atom attached to the carbon atom, है ना? Roughly हमें ना group को देखकर ही हम पता नहीं कर सकते. But here we can easily identify whether it is cis or trans. But here it is not a case because all the 4 different group attached to the double bonded carbon atom. तो इसलिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to follow the some specification rule or nomenclature rule to identify the given geometrical isomer, whether it is cis or trans, or somewhat different group a name is assigned by the IUPAC system. So that specification rule that we follow to assign the name of a geometrical isomerism, that rule are called as the Chan-Ingold-Prelog system or Chan-Ingold-Prelog scheme for the specification or the nomenclature of a geometrical isomers. And cis means that the two like group on the same side of a double bond is a cis, and trans means that the they have the opposite side, the similar group on a opposite side. But this example not having the similar group attached to the double bonded carbon atom, to designate the configuration of such a compound, is a set of a rule is needed to determine which two group on a same side of a double bond, like group of a view of a higher priority, है ना. हम उसको कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? Higher priority. If the higher priority group on a same side, that is cis, और higher priority group on a opposite side, that is the trans. तो वो जो group attach है इसको, two different group attached to the double bonded carbon atoms are identified or distinguished by the priority, higher and lower priority, higher and lower priority. Like if the higher priority group on a same side of a double bond, है ना, the group or atom attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom, we assign the priority, और priority पे जो higher priority group on a same side, so that is known or that is identified as a Z, capital Z. That German word, the Zusammen, Z, that come from the German word that is a Zusammen, means together. If the higher priority group on an opposite side of a conformation or isomer, that is known as a E, the German word that is antagogen, which means the opposite side. तो ये देख लो एक मर्तबा क्या है, तो Zusammen and antagogen. जो नहीं समझ में आया पूछो अभी.
फिर से बता दें सर.
हाँ?
एक बार
आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
रिपीट सर, एक बार रिपीट सर को ले ना रिपीट.
हाँ रिपीट बोलता है. हाँ समझ को सभी को आवाज आ रही है एकदम? 64 में से तो 2 जगह मैंने लॉगिन किया हूँ. 60 सभी को आ रही है आवाज? किसी को आवाज नहीं आ रही है तो बोलो. हाँ तो what happen when all the four different group attach, when all the four different group attach to the double bonded carbon atom, in that case the cis and trans system not work. In that case the cis and trans system can't work, because cis and trans system is of a nomenclature of a geometrical isomerism in alkene is based on a similarity group. If a similar group attach on the same side of a double bond, that is known as the cis form. That is known as a cis. If a similar group on the opposite side, that is known as a trans system. But what happened in the case when all the 4 different group attached to the double bonded carbon atom? Here the case. देखो यहाँ पे ना चारों भी group क्या है? अलग है. So such a compound, we assign the name of this compound by following the which specific rule or which scheme or which rule?
Chain.
Cann-Ingold-Prelog system. Cann-Ingold-Prelog system. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Cann-Ingold-Prelog system. और ये Cann-Ingold-Prelog system में क्या किया है? The groups are identified or distinguished by the priority. और प्रायोरिटी बोले तो एक तो हायर रहेगा और सेकंड लोअर रहेगा, है ना. हमने यहाँ पे ये जो चारों भी ग्रुप है बोले तो 2 ग्रुप जो अटैच है कार्बन एटम को, उसको डिस्टिंग्विश, उसको सेपरेट किया है हमने प्रायोरिटी के बेसिस पे. कौन से बेसिस पे डिस्टिंग्विश किया है उसको? प्रायोरिटी. तो देखो 2 ग्रुप अटैच है एक कार्बन एटम को. देखो ये कार्बन एटम को 2 ग्रुप अटैच है और ये कार्बन एटम को 2 ग्रुप अटैच है. जब हम प्रायोरिटी देंगे तो एक को ज्यादा हायर प्रायोरिटी रहेंगी और एक को क्या रहेंगी? लोअर प्रायोरिटी. एक को क्या रहेंगी? हायर प्रायोरिटी रहेंगी और दूसरे को क्या रहेंगी? लोअर प्रायोरिटी रहेंगे, है ना. तो फिर उसपे से ये क्या बोल रहा है? इफ द हायर प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप on a same side of a double bond, if a higher priority group on a same side of a double bond, so that is known as the Zusammen. Zusammen having the together same. Zusammen बोले तो क्या रहता है? Together. And antagogen means the higher priority group on a opposite side of a double bond. on a opposite side of a double bond, that is known as the entagigin. तो ये समझ में आ गया जुसामिन और एंटेगिगिन
Yes,
सभी
sir.
के?
Yes,
Yes,
तो
sir.
आपको है ना,
Yes, sir.
जब ये एग्जाम रहेंगे आपकी बाय द चांस 12th की जैसा तो कैंसिल नहीं करेंगे आपकी, और लिए एग्जाम तो क्या करेंगे वो, ये एमसीक्यू में डेफिनेटली ये रहता है, ई स्टैंड फॉर, जेड स्टैंड फॉर, है ना, आर स्टैंड फॉर, एस स्टैंड फॉर, है ना। तो ये समझ में आ गया सभी को?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, चलो तो फिर आगे बढ़ने का।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अभी इन्होंने तो बोल दिया कि हायर प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप ऑन अ सेम साइड और लोअर प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप ऑन अपोजिट, हायर प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप, लोअर प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप, बट हाउ विल वी आइडेंटिफाइड वेदर इट इज द हायर प्रायोरिटी और लोअर प्रायोरिटी? हाउ विल वी आइडेंटिफाई वेदर द ग्रुप which one is the higher priority or lower priority? That's why we have to follow the Cann-Ingold-Prelog system, CAHN, Cann-Ingold-Prelog sequence rule, है ना। बहुत से मर्तबा इसका है ना शॉर्ट फॉर्म भी पूछते हैं, व्हाट इज द CIP स्टैंड फॉर? तो CIP स्टैंड फॉर द Cann-Ingold-Prelog system. So there are some rule by which if we follow that rule, we can easily assign the name of a particular geometrical isomers. So out of that, the first rule says that the two atom attached to the double bonded carbon atom, the two atom attached to the double bonded carbon atom assign the priority, and the priority of the atom is based on the atomic number. Priority is based on a atomic number. If the atom that having the higher atomic number, that having the higher priority compared to that of the atom that having the lower atomic number. तो देखो एक आपको है ना स्ट्रिप नजर आ रही है, वो स्ट्रिप पे सभी का देखो, तो इसमें सब में ज्यादा किसकी प्रायोरिटी रहेंगे, हायर प्रायोरिटी किसकी रहेंगे?
Chlorine, sir.
नहीं,
Iodine की.
आयोडीन की रहेंगी ना, आयोडीन, बिकॉज द आयोडीन हैविंग द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ 53. फिर इसके बाद में किसकी प्रायोरिटी रहेंगे?
Br, bromine.
ब्रोमीन की रहेंगी, फिर उसके बाद में क्लोरीन की रहेंगी, फिर उसके बाद में सल्फर की रहेंगी। सल्फर का भी अटैच रहा तो ये हाइड्रोजन मत कंसीडर करो, ये गलती
Yes,
से
sir.
हुआ यहाँ पे, ये भी हाइड्रोजन। हम जो की एटम, द की एटम दैट डायरेक्टली अटैच टू द कार्बन एटम, दैट ओनली वी कंसीडर, है ना। तो ये प्रायोरिटी समझ में आ गई। द प्रायोरिटी
Yes,
इज बेस्ड ऑन अ एटॉमिक नंबर। बोलो एक मर्तबा रिपीट, द प्रायोरिटी इज बेस्ड ऑन अ,
Atomic number.
करेक्ट, है ना। तो अभी देखो एक एग्जांपल दिया है यहाँ पर, एक डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन एटम दिया है, मैं जिसका नाम बोलता है ना उसी ने बोलना है मुझे। रिदा सैयद रिदा बोलो। ये कार्बन एटम में प्रायोरिटी हमको असाइन करने का है, तो हायर प्रायोरिटी सब में फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी किसकी रहेंगी बोलो?